Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Trust Wallet for Ethereum dApps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Trust Wallet app on your device. If you haven't installed Trust Wallet yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, make sure you have your wallet set up and your Ethereum balance ready. Tap on the dApps or Browser tab, usually located in the dApps section. You will see a list of popular decentralized applications. To access a specific Ethereum dApp, either scroll through the list or use the search bar to type the name of the dApp. After you find the dApp you want to use, tap on it to open the interface. The dApp will prompt you to connect your wallet for authentication. Select the option that allows you to connect your Trust Wallet. Once connected, the dApp will request permission to access your Ethereum address. Review the connection request carefully before accepting. After confirming the connection, you may need to finalize additional settings or preferences on the dApp. You can now interact with the dApp, whether it's for trading, gaming, or other functionalities. To disconnect your wallet from the dApp, go back to the dApps section and remove the connection if necessary. Make sure to check transaction fees and confirmations before proceeding with any transactions. Enjoy exploring the world of Ethereum dApps through your Trust Wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.